Today I'm at home working on my washing machine. So this is an LG top loader, direct drive. They all kind of work the same way if it's a LG model like this. Even if the control panel is off the back, it probably is very similar. It started making this loud scraping noise and shut down earlier today. So I just want to show you what happened. Maybe it'll help somebody else. The screen here, the fault that it was reading said LE, which I guess is a motor stuck fault. But yeah, so I tilted it back and get underneath here. And there's this nut here that holds this plate onto the motor. So it's pretty easy to do. It's standard thread. You just unscrew this nut and then you can pull this plate down and expose the whole motor. What happened is these screws here for obviously make sure it's unplugged, but these screws here that hold this clutch assembly came loose, and one of them fell out and got stuck inside the motor, and it broke the wires, the actual windings on the motor. So I'm gonna have to replace this whole motor unit. But this is the clutch, and it engages the drum, and you can see it just goes like this, and this is a little actuator. So when this arm spins, it pulls up on this, and that's what engages the drum. So the screw fell out. This whole thing came loose, destroyed the motor, and pretty easy to replace, it looks like. You just undo these screws. I already loosened them. They weren't loose. This 10mm, socket. Pull those off. I'm gonna pull this whole motor down and order a new one. So that's it. I guess something to look for when you do reassemble this. If these are coming loose on you and they haven't already fell out and destroyed everything, put a little bit of blue Loctite on them before you put them back in. So that's it. Thanks for watching.